Welcome to Letting Go, Episode 7. Welcome to the final episode in our series on letting go. Today, we'll focus on releasing perfectionism and embracing self-acceptance. Perfectionism often stems from a desire to feel worthy, loved, or in control. But the truth is, striving for perfection can leave us feeling exhausted and disconnected from who we truly are. You are already enough, just as you are. In this meditation, we'll release the need to be perfect and create space for kindness, compassion, and acceptance of ourselves exactly as we are. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit with your back straight and your hands resting gently in your lap, or lie down if that feels better. Close your eyes, or let your gaze soften. Take a moment to settle in, allowing yourself to arrive fully in this safe and supportive space. Let's start by connecting with the breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and exhale softly through your mouth. Once more, inhale deeply, letting your lungs fill completely. And exhale, releasing any tension or tightness. Now, allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. As you breathe, bring your awareness to your body. Feel the support of the surface beneath you. Let your shoulders relax, your jaw soften, and your whole body grow a little heavier with each exhale. With each breath, imagine yourself letting go of any expectations, any tension, or any striving. Simply be here in this moment, exactly as you are. Now, I'd like you to reflect for a moment. Where in your life are you striving for perfection? Perhaps it's in your work, your relationships, or even how you see yourself. Allow any thoughts or feelings to arise naturally, without judgment. As you reflect, notice how striving for perfection feels in your body. Do you feel tightness in your chest? A sense of pressure in your mind? Or perhaps a heaviness in your heart? Simply observe these sensations with curiosity and compassion. There's no need to fix or change anything right now, just allow yourself to feel. Now, ask yourself, what would it feel like to let go of this need for perfection? What would it feel like to embrace myself just as I am? Let's practice releasing the need to be perfect. Imagine a heavy backpack that you've been carrying on your shoulders. This backpack represents the weight of perfectionism, the expectations, the self-criticism, the pressure to always do or be more. Feel the weight of this backpack on your shoulders. Notice how it pulls you down, how it affects your posture, your breath, and your energy. Now, picture yourself gently taking this backpack off and setting it down in front of you. Feel the weight lifting from your shoulders. As you release it, take a deep breath in and exhale, feeling a sense of relief and freedom. Let's do this together again. Inhale deeply, imagining yourself letting go of perfectionism. And exhale, releasing it completely. Notice how it feels to let go of this burden. Trust that you are enough, just as you are, without carrying the weight of perfection. Now that you've released perfectionism, let's invite self-acceptance into your heart. Imagine a warm, soothing light glowing in the center of your chest. This light represents self-love, compassion, and acceptance. With each breath, feel this light growing brighter and warmer, filling your entire body with a sense of peace and kindness. As you sit with this light, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am enough, just as I am. I release the need to be perfect. I embrace my flaws and love myself fully. Let's repeat that together. I am enough, just as I am. I release the need to be perfect. I embrace my flaws and love myself fully. Feel these words settling deeply within you, like seeds of kindness taking root in your heart. Take a moment to honor yourself for who you are, not for what you do or achieve, but simply for being you. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for this practice. By letting go of perfectionism and embracing self-acceptance, you're choosing to live with greater peace and authenticity. Remember, you are enough, exactly as you are. You don't need to be perfect to be worthy of love and happiness. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy returning to your body. And when it feels right, open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today and throughout this series on letting go. I hope these meditations have helped you find greater freedom, peace, and self-compassion. Carry these lessons with you as you move forward, knowing that you are enough. Until we meet again, be kind to yourself and trust the beauty of your journey. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.